we've established you moved to Kazan for your college years. Can you just tell me briefly about your education?
That's a 4-year college, secondary school as we call them, classical music, musicology, theory and history of music. That's what I studied, and I played piano as my second specialization, whatever what it is. So that's what I did, and then I went to the Kazan State Conservatory, which is conservatoire, I don't know how you pronounce it.
Yeah.
It's the higher education, 5 years, studying the same, history and theory of music and piano as a second instrument, second profession. So that was a solid 8 years music school, 4 years college, 5 years conservatory. That makes it quite a few years of academic training in classical music. Classical music plus a bit of folklore, Russian folklore and Tatar folklore. And I also wrote a few essays in klezmer and Yiddish music. Officially, they accepted it, they loved it, they were really interested. I wrote about the current state of Jewish music in Tatarstan. So I spoke to people who remembered tiny bits, you know, from their childhood, some Yiddish songs, some klezmer, anything to do with Jewishness. I did go around elderly people in Kazan. I collected, I had to write it down. I didn't have a recording device then, as a poor student. So I brought back these materials, handwritten bits of songs, and then I found these songs, and most of them were quite popular. To my disappointment. But I wrote about it, and I gave my paper to the committee and at the conservatory, and they didn't know anything about it, so for them it was new and different.